Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find devices that remember your password on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. So just go up here, you click here on this picture here, then it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just switching to show for you like this, and you click here on sign in security, and it's going to take you here. Then you come here to devices that remember your password. You will click here, then it's going to take you here in this window. I don't have any remembered devices, but if you have it, you will find it here with your password account on your LinkedIn app. So that's all you have to do to find this. You just follow this ways and it's going to take you to this window. I wish know you and Garrett. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you.